Yeah, you are probably using your database wrong. Let's start with an example. We have this post table. The post table contains an ID, a title, and a description, and we want to create our blog. So we start from this simple Express example. We initialize the Postgres pool, and we add the query for getting the post from the database. And from the JSON, we actually convert into an HTML string by printing the title and the summary. 1 and 2. So we have this beautiful blog, and the style is maravilloso. It's a gem, it's incredible. But 5 minutes later, you get a DM from the project manager that asks you to add the likes for the post. Luckily, you have already another table, which is called the likes.sql, and you have for each post ID the people that like the post. So you just modify this query by including the likes and then adding to the HTML. It works. Nice. But kinda. Because Postgre is very, very fast. But let's suppose that we add a little more complexity to the query, maybe another tables or other features, or network latency, for example. We can simulate using the pgsleep function. And in this case, with 100 posts, the timing is not good. It's 46 seconds. Honestly, you don't know why this is happening. There are not many queries, there are not many posts. You ask the senior developer. And yeah, it's kind of menacing right now. But let's see what it does, okay? Okay, he moves the query from the inner loop to outside the loop, and then it does the filtering on the client side. You tell him, of course, that it shouldn't be too impactful to the performance, but you check for yourself with another benchmark, and the timing is astonishingly fast. But why? Well, what you did is a classic N+1 problem. You get one query for 200 milliseconds, but you don't do one query. You do 100, one for the post and one for the likes for each post. So what is happening here is that you're getting 20 seconds of latency. And you also need to count everything that is network latency, query planning, and every overhead for each query. So how to fix this? First, reduce the query count. It should be a constant number, even taking multiple rows if necessary instead of one by one. Then you filter on the client side. MySQL, Postgres, and other types of RDBMS are much faster in these type of scenarios. If you use an ORM instead, like Entity Framework or Prisma, you should check the logs and, of course, read the fucking manual.